Then, if you need to apply self-adhesive labels on cylindrical or slightly conical products, this is the machine that can do for you. The FP round distributor allows you to apply self-adhesive labels very quickly and easily. The procedure is very basic. Just put the bottle on the 2 rollers and by pressing the lever, the machine automatically applies a label. Through panel you can choose whether to apply only the front label or also apply the back label in case you want to apply. Also, the back label must be already inserted in the coil during the pre-press phase, since this machine is suitable to apply labels on wine bottles, on grappa bottles, on perfectly cylindrical buckets, or slightly conical. You can also install an inkjet marker to be able to go to mark a lot or an expiration date. On this particular machine, we went to make small changes to be able to apply the labels even on products not perfectly cylindrical. Right now, I'm going to apply the label, and I show you how simple it is. You put the bucket in place by hitting with the bottom. Operating this simple lever, the machine rotates, and I go to apply a label. Through the menu, the machine is easy to set. You can decide how many labels you must go to apply. So, if you want to apply only one front or to front, then you can go to set the application speed of the label and several other parameters such as the pre-distance, the delay, how many labels there are in the queue. This depends on the size of the labels. A very interesting thing about this machine here is the possibility of using self-learning. The automatic machine will slide some labels in variable number from 2 to 3 labels and will automatically understand their size and their distance.